In this video, we're going to show you how you can initialize and format a hard drive here in Windows 11. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tech guides just like this. It really does help out the channel. But let's go ahead and jump straight into this. First things first, once you're on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, go ahead and click on the search bar and type in create and format hard disk partitions. It should go ahead and pop up as you start typing it in, but it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to look for the drive that says unallocated. Obviously mine are all allocated, but let's go ahead and pretend that disk 1 is that for me. Go ahead and click on it because that is your new hard drive, and it should actually appear in the list with a black bar on top of it. You're going to want to right click on that one for you, and there's going to be an option that says new simple volume. Go ahead and click on that and go through the setup wizard by clicking next. Any values that are going to appear for volume size, just go ahead and leave them default and then choose the drive letter. For this, you're going to want to put D. If D is not available, use whatever is. But from here, you want to leave your file system settings as NTFS. Click next a few times and then click finish, and Windows is now going to format and initialize your hard drive. Once that is done, open up File Explorer and go to this PC, and your drive should now appear and be ready to use. But that's it. You've now successfully initialized and formatted your brand new hard drive here in Windows 11. If this video did help you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel. Have a great day. Peace.